Hey there, welcome to our product video for the Ninja Prestige Smart XL with Pro Cook System. 10-in-1 air-fried digital countertop convection toaster oven. If you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to make meal prep easier and more efficient. Well, look no further because this kitchen powerhouse is here to revolutionize the way you cook. Designed for the busy home cook who wants to create delicious and healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL is packed with features that will have you wondering how you ever lived without it. Imagine being able to air fry your favorite snacks, roast vegetables to crispy perfection, broil steaks to juicy goodness, and bake cookies with just one appliance. With 10 different cooking functions, including air fry, air roast, broil, bake, and more, the possibilities are endless. One of the standout features of this toaster oven is the Pro Cook Thermometer, which ensures that your meats are cooked to perfection every time. No more guessing if your chicken is done or worrying about overcooking your steak. The Pro Cook Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking and gives you perfectly cooked results, just the way you like it. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking to expand your culinary skills or a busy parent trying to get dinner on the table, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL is the perfect kitchen companion. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and versatile enough to handle all your cooking needs. Forget about heating up your big oven for small tasks or relying on multiple appliances cluttering up your countertop. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL does it all in one sleek and stylish package. And with 1,800 watts of power, you can trust that it will deliver quick and even cooking every time. Want to impress your friends at your next gathering? Use the Ninja Prestige Smart XL to whip up delicious appetizers, main courses, and desserts without breaking a sweat. Your guests will be amazed at the quality of your cooking and you'll be able to enjoy the party instead of slaving away in the kitchen. In a world full of kitchen gadgets and gizmos, the Ninja Prestige Smart XL stands out as a top-of-the-line appliance that truly does it all. Whether you're air frying, roasting, broiling, or baking, this toaster oven has got you covered. So don't wait any longer. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja Prestige Smart XL and take your cooking game to the next level. Say goodbye to soggy fries and dry meats, and say hello to delicious, perfectly cooked meals every time. Order yours today and experience the magic of the Ninja Prestige Smart XL for yourself. Happy cooking!